Hello guys, how are you? Convey my salam. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new update video of this class Patshala. Which I solve a simple equation how to solve x to the power 4 equal to x minus 1 all to the power 4. Now we start x to the power 4 equal to x minus 1 to the power 4. So we transfer all in left side 4 equal to 0. Now we write x square minus x minus 1 square that we can write n equal to a to the power mn. So we use a great formula a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we can write minus a plus x minus 1 whole square and x square minus x minus 1 all square equal to 0. Then we can write x square plus x square minus 2x plus 1, and here we can x square minus x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. But 2x square minus 2x plus 1 and x square minus x square 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now we use here now we can write 2x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Here a equal to 2, b equal to minus 2 and c equal to 1. So x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac and by 2a equal to minus negative 2 plus minus root over negative 2 square minus 4 into 2 into 1 by 2 into 2 equal to 2 plus minus root over 4 minus 8 by 4 equal to 2 plus minus root 4 by 4 equal to, we can write 2 plus 2 here 2i, okay, by 4. Here we can write 2 by 4 plus minus 2i by 4 equal to half plus minus I by 2. So the solution of the equation, and we can write again 2x minus 1 equal to 0, but 2x equal to 1, x equal to half. Okay, and check. Now we can check the equation. To check x to the power 4 minus x equal to x minus 1 all to the power 4 half all to the power 4 half minus 1 all to the power 4 1 by 16 minus 1 by 2 all to the power 4 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16. So the true x equal to half, and given the three question. Okay, bye bye guys, we will meet in the next update videos. Thank you.